ultimately Tom has released their cadet program form. Okay, so if you want to know all the details regarding it, you have to stick to this video till the end. So good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel Ultimate Shinobi guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So today is 15th August, so let's start with the Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all of you. And it's morning 4:40 a.m. Okay. So let's start with the good news. The good news is that Tom has posted their deck cadet and engine cadet program, what you can say, portal or form in your website. It was the day 15th August. I guess lot of people have forgot, so I have posted one video regarding it 3 or 4 weeks back. You can go and check that video also in the I button. And in this video, first thing, the video is going to get very complicated. Second thing, video is going to get little long, so you have to stay tuned, otherwise you will not understand anything. And third thing, it is really complicated. Seriously, it's a complicated thing. So I have read twice, thrice, then I have got a basic idea, still not clear. I have mailed them, definitely they will get back to me. So first thing what I have understand, this is a internship program. Obviously it is for Indian, that is for sure. So you have to pay for that, for the internship program, and Tom will organize the program on their colleges. They have 3 colleges, they will organize, and obviously non-Indian colleges, that is no Indian maritime college, non-Indian colleges. I will show you each and everything, just wait for a few minutes. Another thing is that afterwards they will organize your onboard training also. On that period you will get your salary. Okay, so the course period is 3 years 9 months. They are calling this course professional bachelor degree. Okay, so this is for deck cadet as well as the engine cadet. So I will not tell you verbally, you will not get to understand anything what is it. So better move to my laptop screen, and there I will show you each and everything regarding this program. Okay, so this is the page, official page. If you saw my last video, you know this page obviously. And see the 15th August today. So first you will see apply for the deck cadet. You just click on that, apply for the deck cadet, and I would recommend you to use Google Chrome, because otherwise you will see in the Danish language. Okay, and if you use this Google Chrome, then it will be automatically translated to the English. So application deadline, you can see 30th of November 2020. So we have plenty days remaining. I will show you the application, but before that we need to read this one. Okay, so the main purpose, I will read this one. If you enter into a training agreement with Tom, it means that you complete the internship period in your training on board one of Tom's ship. As a master pilot in Tom, you get internship both on the bridge and on deck, and in long run you will learn to take responsibility for ship's overall operation and management. The master training is for you to interested in sailing the very large ship. As a master, you have opportunity to become captain and thus the person in charge on board, in addition leading the crew itself. You as master together with the chief engineer are the leader of the company, which a ship is also. The training for master takes place either in Marshallskagen, Spenbock. The education varies between school stays and internship at Tom. Okay, so you just need to click over here this link, you will find lot of things. So this is the program, 3 years 9 months professional bachelor's degree program master. Okay, so there are 3 main colleges or school, you can say: Spenbock International Maritime Academy, Skagen Skipper School, and Marshall Navigation School. So these are the 3 schools you might send for your training. Okay, so now let's get back to the main page again. So here you can see, if you have question about the education, you are welcome to contact aspirants responsible Jan Lingerware either by mail or the phone number. Please attach grades and the criminal record. Application are evaluated ongoing basis and interviews are held as soon as possible. So interview will be held. Okay. So now what you have to do, apply for the position. That you need to click, and here you need to put your email id, your confirm email id again, first name, last name, if any second last name you can put, address, citizenship, country, zip code, your sex, date of birth, private phone number, mobile number, alternative number. Okay, another thing, the country India is okay, citizenship you can choose India also. Okay, man or woman, anything, whatever you are. Education you need to fill. Okay, fields of education you can put this kind of thing, I can assume that you can put by yourself. Okay, the main purpose, do not put any mistake. Work experience you can put 0 also, no issues. If you have any reference you can select the yes. Application you need to type manually. Here you can write your motivation for applying for this position. You can attach the relevant documents and application here. Do you need a CV? If you do not have a resume available on your computer, you can download a resume template here. Very good, actually very constructive website. So you will find a template for the resume, but unfortunately it is in the Danish. But what you have to do, you just need to click translate. I cannot show you right now because my Microsoft Word, what is called, the license has been expired today only, so I didn't upgrade it, but you can do that. Yeah, no, it's already translated. Fine, that is fine. So that is the thing. Okay, so you can find this thing and you can make your CV with it. Okay, so that is very good. Again, application you can upload your CV, you can upload, please upload a image file also, and if any other document you can put, then just click I accept and submit the application. Okay, that is for the deck cadet. Now for the engine cadet also, you just need to click the same thing written over here. I will not read again. So what you have to do is you just click apply for the position, the same thing. Okay, nothing change, so I don't need to think that I will again show you. So that is it for the form fill up section. I just give me 1 or 2 minutes, I want to tell you something regarding it. First thing, I guess this is not for the cadets who are pursuing their courses in the maritime colleges currently. That is my first point. The second point, I would like to tell you that this is for Indian, otherwise this citizenship will be not there. Okay, so but another doubt, is it really possible to go outside of India and take your training? That is a huge doubt in my mind. So these 2 or 3 doubts are there, I have mailed them, so hopefully I'll get a reply and I will update with you guys, and then if you feel, you can go with this form fill up. So I guess video is already getting too long. Thank you for staying with me for so long, and hopefully you have liked this video. So thank you for watching it. So I guess it's a complicated thing for you also to understand, and really it was complicated for me also to get understand. Okay, but what I have understood, I have tried to make you understand. So if there is any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. Actually I am also in doubt, so for the doubt I have mailed them, because the main doubt what I have understand or what I have felt, that is it really possible for Indians to go outside and stay over there and Actually, I've never heard this in my entire shipping career. I've never heard this kind of course. I really don't know what is that. So, but I wanted to share obviously that thing. So I recommend you can fill up the form obviously and just wait for it what it is, and interview will be there. So you can wait for the interview, or else you can wait for few days also, because the application end date is too long in November. So after knowing everything you can fill the form, that will be also okay. And as soon as I'll get any update, I'll definitely let you know. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.